Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to put a quick video out there showing how easy it is and quick it is to make a nice gift for someone. So stay tuned. My father-in-law's birthday was coming up, so he bought a new vehicle for himself. I thought it would be a nice gesture to make a little plaque for his Corvette. So after some quick searching on Etsy, I came up with a little silhouette design of his car, and all of this wood I had just in my shop. So I had a little bit of Padauk and some basswood that I cut on my cut on my laser engraver. The first cut wasn't thick enough, so I did cut it twice, and I ended up just taking some CA glue, some super glue, and gluing it together so it was a little bit thicker. So that's what I'm doing here. And I just got some Corvette logos offline. I engraved that onto the 1/4 inch blank and then cut it down to width. And here I'm just going to apply some mineral oil to the board because that would really make the colors pop. Once that is soaked in and wiped off a bit, I'm just going to center that on there, super glue it down, and hit it with some light coats of polyurethane. After about 3 or 4 coats, this thing was turning into a really nice plaque. Of course, I had to make a little decent rack to hold it up, and now I can display it proudly. And of course, I've already got orders for more. Like I said, this is a quick video, and I do appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below.